Guys, we did it. Yes, so ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. First off, I want to thank you guys because we have got to 1,000 subscribers. 1,000 subscribers. Man, I can't thank you guys enough. I really appreciate it. I love y'all. I'm currently at my mom's house on Oahu. Jaya is just about ready to give birth. She could give birth within days now, any day now, any moment. We're gonna go up to Uncle TJ's house. I'm gonna make some stuffed uhu, fried kole, and all kind of other stuff. You guys can see on family barbecue action. Yes, sir. Oh, I almost forgot the dive. So, the water was super dirty. It was super rough, but I got a couple clips in there, and I'll show you guys that right now. Yes, sir. Bang, bang, bang. Ah, fuck.
Oh no, don't record me because you know my face, I look like Rudolph right now.
What?
Look at my nose, it's all red.
What?
Because I was at his football.
Five.
So listening to Jaya talking about her stomach, it's hard.
throw this in the stuff. Ooh, boys. Sample this burger. Never did throw them in there before. Throw this on the grill. Yes, sir. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. What's up, cousin?
Guess what I got?
Hey.
Check this out. You gonna trip.
I'm finna trip.
You gonna trip, boy.
Found something for the baby.
Oh, what?
Oh,
Isn't that cool?
Fuck yeah.
What's
And
that?
it's what you're freaking cooking.
Oh, yes.
I got
And mom got diapers.
the
His
ingredients.
mom got diapers.
Yes. You the man.
Hey,
Oh, smooth your jersey.
No. I get nuts. Big bowl.
Oh, what?
This is from the baby shower.
Oh, yes.
You get all the gifts.
Appreciate it, brother. Yeah, boys.
Coming in with a load of peppers, huh? Hi, honey.
To the party last time.
We got the party favors.
We got the party favors.
Babe, look.
Oh my goodness. Aww. Thank you guys.
Hey, guys. You like guys? You little wiener. Oh, you dropped it? You lost the wiener. Wieners.
This week on Iron Chef.
Leave them take hot for crack.
Once you go tick, you never go back. Tick, not that other stuff.
Okay, boys, we got it all wrapped up. It's ready to go, cuz. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Big Mike.
Who wants a Vegas bomb? Anybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay, one.
Come here, real nice.
Okay. Vegas bomb?
Boy, everybody feasting over here.
Where's the butter and garlic?
No need, right there. Show you chili pepper.
I know. I put it all on top of my fish. I thought it was Thank you. Right?
Oh, look what look more.
I know, she just fucked her right there. Cut her off for you.
Cut you off.
Hot. That. Okay.
I didn't bring them all.
Chora shaka.
Put the diamonds here. Bring your knee up.
Bro, you didn't even need that.
Like fronty. Like this.
That's too hot.
Don't go like this. Go like that, straight.
Get away before you guys get burned.
Are you gonna take it out? Okay, stay on the side. Wait, you guys.
Oh, this bug is guaranteed ready. Okay, fast kind. Wanna take right into the mitts, boy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I said it before and I'll say it again. I appreciate y'all. I love y'all for supporting me throughout the years. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Yes, sir.